Hi, thanks for stopping by. Today's game day, Sunday, December 15th. I'm just going through a roll call of the games today and sending out bulk calendar invites to all the games to show our technology stack here based on AWS. There's our tech stack right there. I'm going to pick out a game. We're going to send it to the calendar invite server. It's going to send out the calendar invites by pulling them out of DynamoDB. We have a whole bunch of magic in between with our lambdas and our core logic, and we send out the calendar invite. We collect the calendar receipt. So let's get going. That said, today, if you look at it, there's 309 games that were loaded into the AWS calendar invite server. When I click on the 15th, you'll see the display mechanism changing here visually. There's 309. We go to the 15th. We drill into the calendar picker. These are the games that are loaded into the calendar invite server. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to send invites with our VIP list manager. The VIP list manager is our bulk engine that allows for the list uploading or sending millions of emails to the gateway and actually sending out calendar invites to a large event. That said, if you look at the last batch I sent out was Cincinnati Bengals at the Tennessee Titans. So I am going to go scroll down through this, and you'll see my next up game available to send in batch mode will be the Patriots at the Cardinals. I'm going to pick that one. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to give it the command yes. And you'll see here in the picker, I have the event scheduled England Patriots at the Cardinals. I'm going to give it a yes. And our gateway is going to communicate with the database and take this stream of data, this case here, this data being email addresses, and pump out the calendar invites themselves right here in our gateway. So data in, email addresses, we're going to Lambda, it's picking it up, and it's saying, summarizing, we need to build a calendar invite on the fly using API technology and our technology for streaming calendar invites. That said, let's go back here to the demo, and you'll see that I just sent out a calendar invite for Patriots at the Cardinals. It showed up right there. I'm going to grab that data. The end user is going to say maybe, and that's the first one. And then the second one here, you'll see that person here in the demo database is going to say yes as I click. Now that data is going to show up here on the left, and when I go up, you wouldn't know that unless I showed it. So let's show it. Going to go to the Patriots or New England, and I'm drilling into the database again here in S3 and DynamoDB, and I'm going to type in new for New England, and there it is there. Here's the one here that we sent out, and there's 2 RSVPs collected. Now, if this data was to change, these RSVPs would change, and that's part of our technology stack. But you'll see right here that there's 1 and 1, and that's the way it was represented over here. One said, I'm going to go to the game. The other one said tentative. Now, if you go back here in the demo capacity and one said no, how would you know that? Well, in live demo, we're talking to the gateway again. I'm going to refresh, and we should pick up this declined. There it is there. There's 1 tentative, 1 declined. Thank you for stopping by live demo here on game day, Sunday, December 15th.